What's up, everybody? Welcome to my channel. It's your boy DeGilk, and I'm coming at you guys with a Heat unboxing. Today, we're going to be looking at the Jordan Off-White 1 Euros. This actually has two pairs in here, but I'll do the other pair for another video. Thank you guys for tuning in. Let's get into it. All right, now that's open. Put it on the top. Looks like they are. Now I'm gonna set this huge box to the side. So these don't have the original box. He just threw me a red box. I think it's the Air Max. Yeah, the Air Max 97 box, which is cool. And here they are. Really shout out, bro. Did a pretty crazy trade, and he knew I wanted these back. I saw my pair a long time ago. I actually had Evan Fournier's gold pair, and they're actually the same exact size at 12.5, which is super rare. I would like to get a 13, but that's just kind of how it worked. Let me pull both these out for you guys. You guys can see I have a ton of laces. I think the purple is almost the best. This is a ton of laces. I'll just pull them out for you guys. And it's cool that they actually threw me an off-white box. I don't know if I really need this box, so I may get rid of it, but that was super dope. And as you guys can see, these are used. These are super, super hard to find. Actually, the hardest one. I think the Chicago's are second, and the UNC's are the easiest. And here you guys kind of go. These are super dope to get back in my hand. I know I'd get them again. I just sold them when the prices were getting high. Well, when I thought they were getting high. And then they even reached a higher market. But the way we did our deal, it really worked out for me. So I really appreciate you. Like, shout out you for real. You're definitely gonna need a little cleanup. You know, I'm gonna have to clean them up a little bit. Definitely swap the laces. I think the teal is cool, but definitely gonna probably switch in that purple or white. I don't know yet. But it's super dope, like I said, to have these all back. I just wanted to show you guys kind of a quick unboxing, show you some of the stuff that I'm picking up. I figured I dropped the Chicago video, I had to drop this video. I also have some UNCs coming in. I have about 2 pairs, so those will definitely be coming out to you guys. I'm gonna try to throw in a lot of Heat unboxings and then showing you guys clothes as well as I normally do. Thank you guys for watching. I hope you really enjoyed. I'll get you guys some detailed pictures of these. They are kind of dirty, so pictures won't look that great, but I'll show you guys what they look like, the condition I bought them in, so you guys can kind of see everything. Like I said, I hope you guys really enjoyed, and if you guys like Nike content, make sure you guys check out my channel. I have a ton of Nike Lab and Nike Tech and other unboxings. I'd appreciate it if you guys could throw a like, comment, and subscribe. It helps the channel out so much. Thank you guys again, and I'm out.
Laugh going,